Javi Gómez de Liaño, also known as Javi GDL, is a Filipino professional basketball player for the Terrafirma Dyip of the Philippine Basketball Association. He played for the University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons of the UAAP during his collegiate career. He then professionally played in Japan before returning to the Philippines to play in the PBA. He plays the small forward position. On May 7, 2022, Gómez de Liaño applied for the Season 47 draft. He was drafted 8th overall by Barangay Ginebra, his favorite team growing up. 2 days later, he, along with guard Brian Enriques, was then traded to the Terrafirma Dyip for the 2nd overall pick Jeremiah Gray. There he would get to play with his former UP assistant coach Alex Cabagnot and former Gilas teammate Isaac Go while helping Terrafirma develop a winning culture. He signed a 2-year deal with the team shortly after the trade. In the 2022-23 Commissioner's Cup, he contributed 11 points and 6 rebounds as he stepped up for the injured Andreas Kahili in a loss to the Meralco Bulls. Against the Beermen, he had 17 points. During the 2023 PBA All-Star Weekend, he competed in the Team Grades versus Team Stalwarts game, where he led Team Grades to victory with his 30 points. In 2018, Gómez de Liaño played for Marinarong, Filipino in the PBA D-League. He scored 27 points to go with 5 rebounds in a win over the AMA Online Education Titans during that year's PBA D-League Foundation Cup. He played for them again in 2020, this time with his brother Juan. In a 36-point rout of the CEU Scorpions, he scored 18 points and 5 rebounds while Juan scored 21 points, 7 rebounds and 4 assists. In 2020, Gómez de Liaño announced that he would skip season 83. He initially planned to postpone his final playing year in the UAAP to play in the MPBL for the Nueva Ecija Rise Vanguards, after which he would stay with UP for season 84.